Ever wondered why advertising on Facebook feels like walking on a tightrope? Well, you're not alone. Facebook advertising, a powerful tool in the digital marketing landscape, can sometimes feel like a daunting task. Its importance is undeniable, allowing businesses to reach billions of people worldwide. Yet, for many entrepreneurs, the initial journey often feels like navigating a maze with its intricate targeting options, changing algorithms, and the constant need for engaging content. But fear not, mastering Facebook advertising is a skill you can learn. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. The first step to successful advertising on Facebook is understanding the Ads Manager. This powerhouse tool is your command center for crafting compelling ads. It's where you set objectives, select your audience, and manage your budget. The interface may seem daunting at first, but it's all about practice. Spend time exploring the features, like the performance dashboard and the ad scheduling tool. These can be invaluable for monitoring your campaigns and maximizing efficiency. Once you've familiarized yourself with the Ads Manager, you're ready for the next step. Creating your first ad campaign might seem daunting, but it's simpler than you think. Just dive into Facebook Ads Manager and kick things off by choosing an objective. Whether you're aiming for brand awareness or driving traffic, the right objective sets the tone. Next, pinpoint your audience. Tailor your ads to appeal to specific demographics. Lastly, set a budget that suits your wallet. A little or a lot, every penny counts. With your campaign set, you're ready to create your first ad. Crafting the perfect ad is an art, and like any art, it requires practice. The first stroke of this masterpiece is compelling visuals, images that catch the eye and resonate with your message. Next, engage your audience with copy that speaks their language, addresses their needs, and sparks curiosity. Finally, the finishing touch, a clear call to action. This is the part where you invite your audience to take a step, to engage, to become a part of your story. And there you have it, your first Facebook ad is ready to go live. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to recap. We've navigated through the world of Facebook advertising, highlighting the significance of mastering the Ads Manager. We've also delved into the crafting of your first ad campaign and the art of creating compelling ads. It's a journey of exploration and learning, where every ad you design serves as a valuable lesson. Remember, the key to successful Facebook advertising is practice and patience. So get out there and start advertising. As we conclude, I want to thank you for spending your valuable time with us. I trust this guide to Facebook advertising has been both useful and insightful. There's an ocean of knowledge still waiting to be discovered, and I'm eager to dive into it with you. If you liked this video, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Your interaction makes us more determined to produce more such content. It also helps other interested users to find these resources. Let's not forget the little bell icon, so you are always updated with our latest videos. Once again, thanks for watching. Remember, the world of Facebook advertising is ready to embrace your unique creativity. Please leave any questions you may have in the comments below. Thank you.